Alright guys, we're in the water here in Flamingo, just pulling out of the marina. Looks like a beautiful day out here. A few mosquitoes, some very big mosquitoes. I just got freaking bit on the neck really bad.
Got another brain growing there.
God. So stay tuned guys, here we go. It's about that time. Stay with us to slay with us. Hey guys, check out these shrimp we got. These live shrimp, straight from, what's the tackle shop?
Don's Bait Tackle.
Bait Tackle, bro. Hook us up. Chum bag. Shake the bag, Cappy.
Shake it more than 3 times. We're playing with it.
Mm-hmm. All right, we're set up in the bait hole. Captain Jared has advised me to take a live shrimp, put it on a popping cork, and send it out there because there's been some sea trout in here on the flats. It's not. It's a sail cat. Wow. Kind of an interesting looking fish though. You know? Really long dorsal and pec fin. They grunt. Try not to let them stick me. But yeah, kind of a neat looking fish really. Like a little shark catfish. You gotta watch their fins. They've got some real sharp pointers inside these streamers right here. Okay, buddy. Very sharp fins. Great bait for just about everything. And those are perfect size. Pancake.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Got Mr. Whiskers in there.
Ah, got a catfish in the net, guys. He is one angry hombre. Ladyfish. The acrobatic, beautiful ladyfish. Second species of the day. Yep. Yep. Ladyfish poop everywhere. Keep it off the spot of the boat. Frisky. Bye-bye. Got him on. Not jumping this time. What do we got? Sea trout. Yeah, gorgeous fish though. Lots of spots. Healthy looking specimen. You guys will look at him. Catfish, catfish, catfish. Okay guys, bait fishing's over. I actually had a little fun there while we were bait fishing. I caught a sea trout, I caught a sail cat, and a ladyfish, which was kind of fun. Jared's gonna tell us a little bit about what our next move is. We got some pinfish, got about what, 4 or 5 dozen?
Yeah.
So that's a good start on the bait situation. So what are we doing now, Cap?
We're gonna run out here to the East Cape and see if we can't get a snook or a red on the end of this outgoing tide. Work our way back through the Cape and then hopefully offshore to see if you can tug on one of them green water warriors.
Cobia, I think is what he's referring to. So here we go, guys. Stay with us. Got him on. Oh. It's not huge. Little snook. Little silver snook. Oops, there he goes. Yep, Florida is home to saltwater crocodiles. We got a couple. Got one in the water right over here and one sunning on the bank. I'm trying, man. I got a lot of bow in my line here. Got him on. Came off. Yep, throwing at me.
Woo, that's a good one.
Flip or die. Spanish mackerel on the gotcha. Got him on again.
Another one.
Another bluefish.
Huh?
Bluefish are cool.
Yeah.
I don't catch a lot of them. They really pull. You just got to be really careful with these guys. They got big teeth, and they will ruin your day if you get connected to that gotcha lure and a bluefish. They're ferocious. Stop. Need a de-hooker. Bad. Need a de-hooker bad.
One of those catfish ones in there.
I'm gonna get stuck like this. We need like,
How's
like,
this?
that's fine. Instant mackerel bite. They are right next to the boat here, buddy. Nice Spanish. Jumping bluefish. All right, jump yourself out for a minute. There you go. Bluefish. That little freaking babe.
Huh?
That little crevalle. Yeah, dang. Yeah, this is a nice one. This is a keeper. Nice triple tail. There it comes. Oh, come on in, brother.
You got it. That one's a go home right there. Yeah, I even gave you the big one.
That was.
That's nice. 2 of them.
Triple tail on. That's awesome. It's just not quite big enough, but we're on them now. We're in the meat.
That's a good one.
He's big enough. No? He's 15 inches, bro. It's over.
I'll put him in a live well.
He's 15 inches, bro.
I'd just rather not. I'll put him in a live well so they don't shrink.
Let him go.
No, I'm gonna put him in a live well.
That's a good one. He's a fighter. Yeah, that one's big enough, I would say. 15 inches, guys. That's what we're looking for. These are delicious eating fish. We've got a lot of like 14 and 7/8. All right, guys, had another great day fishing here in Everglades National Park with Captain Jared of Getting Spooled Sport Fishing. We had to adapt a little bit today to the conditions. Found some dirty water, had some super low moon tides, so we shifted our plans around a little bit. We also found a bunch of tripletail on the stone crab pots on the way in, which was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that. That's cool. Sight fishing is one of those things that's really exciting to me. And we got one keeper. They have to be 15 inches to keep, and we did manage to get one.
Yeah, I got one.
And probably caught like 6 or 8, 14 and 3/4 to 14 and 3/4 inch fish. But overall, had some great action on Spanish mackerel. Caught some bluefish. I caught a small snook. Really enjoyed the day. Thank you very much, Captain.
No problem.
Give everybody a phone number so they can get a hold of you.
Yeah, just give me a call at 786-239-5454, or you can message me on Facebook or Instagram. Get you out there and catch a bunch of fish.
Getting Spooled Sport Fishing, guys. This guy's got it dialed in down here in Everglades National Park. Give him a shout. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Angling Extremes. We'll see you guys next time.